Go ahead, cuz. You got it, cuz. You seen something or you just throwing?
Drop off right now.
Yeah, let's get it, boy. Gotta be something. The birds fucking them up, huh?
Bro, they little croakers. Oh, what the fuck is that, bro?
I don't know. They're kind of small though. But shit, we ain't got nothing else. We're gonna have to. Motherfucker. Hey, these birds don't give a damn. They getting real close. I could grab one if I wanted to. Yee-hee. Man, don't be digging in our bucket, man. Oh yeah, there's a snook in there. I know it. Hey, man, goddamn, move. Move.
Bro, look at these.
Grab them.
Bro, they're grabbing them all.
Bro, get the fuck out of here. Bro, you gotta jump at them. They ain't scared of me.